Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the steering column control module on Volkswagen Tiguan 3rd generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So the steering column control module fuses relays, where they're located. We'll be working, guys, in two different fuse boxes. You wonder where? Well, the first one, guys, is on the driver's side. Let's go ahead, open the driver door now. I want to show you where it's located. Okay, so we'll go ahead, open the door, and here, guys, next to the steering wheel, okay, next to the steering wheel on the driver's side, here you have a panel. If you remove it, you have a fuse box and hidden relays, and even more hidden relays behind it. We have a special video that's called Fuse Box Location and Diagram on Volkswagen Tiguan video, guys, that will teach you where all your hidden fuse boxes and relays are located as well. Here specifically, we need to check two fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And here, guys, what we need to check, the first fuse is known as fuse number 19. You may have all of them or some of them depending on the configuration, but that's here 17, 18, 19. If you have that fuse, you need to check it, guys. Fuse number 19. Now, another one that you may need to check is fuse number 38. So, 38, guys, okay, the number of the fuse will be right here. Okay, right there, you will need to check. Now, some of you may not have that one, and it's okay. Where is the other one? Guys, we need to pop the hood open now, okay? And when we open the hood, facing the engine, guys, now on the, let us show you here on the driver's side, you have a fuse box right here. Specifically, guys, okay, here the numbers will be listed next to the fuses. If you have 2012 to 2017, you won't have any fuses here. But you may need to consider check fusing number 6, but I don't think you have specifically dedicated fuse. You may want to check your mega fuses, test all the mega fuses right here that control the different modules in the car as well. But if you have 2008 to 2011, guys, the fuse box will be different under the hood and it will look like this one. And that one specifically, you will, guys, need to check fuse number 6. This is your steering column fuse. Fuse number 6, it's a 5 amp fuse. If you have 2012 to 17, you may not even have any fuses for the steering column, because it will be a function most likely built into multifunctional control module, and all these systems work together. You don't have specifically dedicated relays, you may have just these fuses that are known as relay fuses. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.